All right, we're gonna do another visit of 32 Parkwood. While this home was listed, we had a lot of concerns about what was underneath the carpet and the laminate flooring. So as you can see, the laminate flooring is being removed in the foyer, and we have beautiful floors underneath all this dust. It's diagonally laid, which is gorgeous. Look at in this living room. It's not inlaid, but it does have a border. And this is all maple flooring, which is amazing. Kitchen has been removed, and kitchen has hardwood floors as well. Let's go upstairs. And then we get upstairs and we have maple upstairs as well. And all these floors are in absolutely incredible condition. Wow. You see the thin strip maple flooring. All right, hope you enjoy this little video as well. Call us if you want to get in to see this home at some point, or if you're looking for a rehab in the Hampton Park Terrace or Wagner Terrace area.